A young Dandenong woman has told how she was attacked after going to the aid of a mother and young child being racially abused on a Melbourne train. The ugly incident left Fahima Adan in tears, with a 39-year-old woman now facing charges. Andrew Lund reports.
Her arms covered in scratches and bruises, Fahima Adan bears the scars of an angry assault on a city-bound train.
I didn't even realise how bad she hurt me because I was in such an adrenaline. I was so upset. I was so hurt that this was actually happening to me.
The 20-year-old was on her way to work from Dandenong when a female passenger began abusing a mother and her young son.
No one was really doing anything. I didn't really focus that hard until I heard someone say terrorists.
But stepping in to help, Fahima quickly became a target herself.
She saw that I was from the same religion and she sort of, attacked me. She pounced to my scarf and tried to remove it, and that's where the physical altercation sort of went about.
The ugly incident left her in tears. But almost as upsetting, the lack of support from other travellers.
My scarf, this is my, my world, like this, it's my religion, is being taken off me. That's just the ultimate disrespect, and people just sat there and watched.
Police arrested a 39-year-old Clayton woman over the incident. She's been released pending summons for unlawful assault.
This needs to be stopped. We're all citizens in this country. We all need to respect each other and just have some humanity.
Andrew Lund, 9 News.